Hey guys, welcome back. Dave here. We are working on my yard just a little bit. So first off, I want to just turn off my main water line because I got a leak in my water line. Main water is off. Okay, now the real fun begins. Backyard we go. So we have an issue with my main line before the valves under the main water pressure. It's leaking out right here. But this is a giant mess and needs to be redone. So we're gonna rip it apart today. Okay, now that we've got them labeled, we just need to cut these. This stuff's probably pretty old. My house is from 1984, and that generally means super, super brittle pipes. Okay, so here's where we're at. We've ripped this piece out. We've got all the pipe just kind of chilling right here. We have our, that's our main line that goes around the house. That one's good. And we've got all this stuff here. So what we ended up getting is we have to get a couple things, right? We have to get a filter. You have to get a regulator. So this is a filter regulator combo, and it's already installed, already ready to go. That's it. So here's our old one, here's our new one. Looking pretty good. I still need to get caps, but we essentially need to put all these in at the same time. All right, check this out. I have got it all finished up, connected to my main, connected my 2 low pressure zones, and then I have my 2 high pressure zones, which are going to my sprinklers. So my drip, sprinklers, all good to go. Now we just need to wait for this to cure, and then it'll be ready to rock and roll. And I've even got my box that goes on top of it. And that's what it's gonna look like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.